Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, no, I'm just kidding. Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know who I am, thank you so much for coming back. I'm giving you an air hug right now. Okay. Anywho, I have been on the ball, you guys, with these videos, with these makeup tutorials. I think I'm just super duper excited because of the new year, and it's just making me get so inspired, and I'm just pulling out bangles after banger after banger, and I'm just so excited. Around this time of year, I get super duper excited because for me, a new year is a new adventure, a new opportunity, a new chance to get it right. And as I've said before, if you follow me on Snapchat, if you watch my previous video, that 2018 was definitely a growing year for me. It was a struggle year, but it was also a year of evolution. I have evolved. I've learned so much about myself, and it's just been all around just a fantastic year. But I am so glad 2019 is around the corner. It's in a couple of days, and I'm ready for it because I want something new. I'm ready for a brand new change. I'm ready for growth. I'm ready to secure some bags in 2019. I'm ready for this channel to grow. I'm just ready for growth in my life, and I feel like 2019 is going to bring that just for me. Anywho, I'm not gonna ramble. I'm not gonna keep you guys long, but I decided to do another makeup tutorial because this is another look that you could rock, like, you know, during the new year. I was inspired by this dress that I'm wearing currently right now, with the black and the floor. So like with the black in the dress, I'm thinking like, ooh, black smoky eye and nude pinky lip, you know, with the flowers. You know, I'm giving you smoky up top, but I'm also giving you some softness and some nudeness on the bottom. So that's pretty much what I was going for with this look, and I'm loving it, y'all. Like, I'm looking in both of my mirrors right now, and I really love it. I love it with this hair, with the dress. It's just it, y'all. It's popping for me. I don't know what it's saying for y'all, but it's popping for me, and it's saying a lot to me. And I got this dress from Family Dollar for $7. Don't sleep on Family Dollar. Don't sleep. Anywho, I just had to throw that out there because people be trying to sleep on them. But anywho, yeah, I thought this would be like a nice makeup tutorial. You could wear it winter, spring, summer, fall. You could never go wrong with a black smoky eye. That is just like a classic staple look. A classic staple eye look that you can do. You can pair with the red lip or purple. You can pretty much put any lip that you want with the black smoky eye. If you want to like bam, boldness, you can do a bright bold lip. If you want to be a little bit more subtle and a little bit more reserved like I am right now, you can pair it with a pinky or a nudie lip, or you can even just throw on some lip gloss. You can throw on some gloss and you good, boo. You still good. But there's so much you can do with the black smoky eye, so I decided to whip up this look concoction for you guys and put it together and film it so you guys can see. And if I didn't say it before, it's also a great New Year's Eve look. So I'm just saying, if you want to go with this look, you know, you can do that too. But anywho, before you leave my channel, I'm not gonna keep rambling on and on and on. We're gonna get right into the video. But before you leave my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell beside it, so you never ever and never ever 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 and never ever 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 miss an upload from me, and you are updated on anytime I upload a video. I know I'm just feeling real extra and hyper today, y'all. I don't know why. I think that's what motivated me to film a video, because I'm just all extra and all just motivated and jittery today. I have no idea. I have no idea why, but I guess I'm just high of life right now. I don't know. But anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch.
Alright, you guys, let's get started. So I'm using my NYX Color Corrector Primer Base, and I'm using this to conceal any dark spots that I may have. I do like this product. It doesn't have my LA Girl Pro Orange Corrector Concealer beat, but it's definitely doable because I'm out of that concealer, so I've been using this. Next, for foundation, I'm going to use my Becca 24 Hour Ultimate Coverage Foundation. and this is in the color Amber. And I'm just building this up, starting with one half of my face using my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to continue to build up that foundation until I get the desired coverage that I like, which is a lot. I'm a cake face girl. I definitely love to cake it on because I have so many imperfections that sometimes I get a little bit insecure about, so I definitely cake the foundation on, but not to the point where it looks crazy. So I'm just gonna continue just building and blending that out, making sure that I'm getting all of my spots and I'm covering up all those dark spots. And as you can tell, I'm going a little bit down to my neck, which sometimes I never do, but I have dark marks down there and I have to conceal them or it's gonna drive me crazy. So I'm just gonna keep blending and blending away. For concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting concealer, which is my favorite concealer right now at the moment. I put it down for a little bit to try a new concealer to me, which is the Makeup Revolution concealer, but it doesn't have this one beat. I was very in love with the Tarte Shape Tape, but then I purchased the Too Faced one because Jackie Aina raved about it on her channel, so I decided to go and purchase this one, and I fell in love with this one and I couldn't put it down, but I had to force myself to try something that was new to me and stop using the same old products all the time. But if you have your Holy Grail products, you just have your Holy Grail products. Alright, you guys, so today I'm doing some cream contour. You mostly see me do powder contour because I don't really like cream contour that much, but today I decided to do it because I really wanted my cheeks and everything to be chiseled and snatched. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one's in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just putting it everywhere that I normally contour: my cheeks, forehead, nose, jawline. Oh, and I did try today to use it around my mouth, around my lips. So I had to say a little prayer and hope that it just works out. Everything just blends out. So yeah, that was the first time I ever did that, and it's blending. Everything's blending. So you know, I had to do my little happy dance. That forehead is getting snatched. So I'm just gonna continue just blending out this contour. Now, when I do use a cream contour, I don't blend it out like so much to the point of where it's blending into my skin and you can't see the contour anymore. So if this makes sense, I blend it, but I don't blend it fully out. Like I leave it, you know, I leave that shadow there, that cast there. So yeah, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna blend out my nose contour, just continue blending out that concealer all around my lips, and just, you know, blending is the key, y'all. Next to set, I was running low on my banana Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, but I still had a lot of terracotta left. So I mixed what little bit of banana I had with the terracotta to make it at least a little bit light enough for me. It's still a little bit dark for my highlight to set my concealer, but hey, I'm going with it. And I just let that sit for a minute. And now I'm just taking this brush to just kind of just sweep that all away. For further contour, I'm taking my, you already know, Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahognay to further contour and chisel that face and to get it nice and snatched. So I'm just going in, and I really wanted that chiseled sharp face today. I don't know why, but I just did. Next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the color Toffee. And I'm just going to sweep this powder all over my face just to make sure everything is just nice and even. It's just like an overall just kind of step that I like to do to make sure everything's just nice and set. Then I go in with this extra step, taking the NYX Stay Matte but not Flat foundation powder in the shade Warm Beige, and brighten up my under eyes. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Blush and Party, followed by highlighter. I'm using my Makeup Revolutions highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. And ooh, you just see how pretty that highlighter is. It's so pretty. Even with my textured skin, that highlighter, it's just so freaking gorgeous. It's like the perfect gold. I love it so much. Alright, you guys, moving on to the eyes. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dreams palette, and I'm taking that pretty burnt orange shade. This is going to be my transition color. I'm literally using only 2 eyeshadows, you guys. This look is so easy, and I'm telling y'all, people are going to think you put a lot of effort into it, but you really didn't. So I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to buff it into my crease, and I'm going to go back and forth like windshield wiper motions, and I'm going to blend it out so this color is not looking so harsh, but it softly transitions into the black. Next, I'm going in with this Revlon Colorstay eyeliner, and I'm just applying this on my eyelid, and then I'm going to smooth it out with a brush. This is just going to help that black appear a little bit more darker and pigmented, even though that black in this palette has hella pigment. I'm just going in to further it and just really make this eye really smoky and dark. Next, I'm going back in and I'm taking that black eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to pop that. Ooh, girl. When I pop that on my lid, right on top of where I applied that eyeliner, and you guys, you see how black, even blacker that eyeshadow is. This is seriously, when I need a black eyeshadow, the only black eyeshadow that I use. I literally pull out this palette just to get the black eyeshadow. But I'm just going to take that and apply that onto my lid, and then I'm going to pick that brush up that I used, can't even talk, that brush up that I used to apply the transition color, and I'm going to blend. So I like to pack the color. I'm not pushing it because I don't want fallout. I've already done my face and got it looking the way I want, so I don't want any fallout. That's the last thing I need. I'm going to push and pack, and then go in and just blend out ever so softly, just to be sure that there's no fallout. So push, pack, blend. That's what I'm doing. Then I went on ahead and did the other off camera, and I'm going back in with that Revlon eyeliner, and I'm applying it underneath my waterline. It's okay if it's not perfect, because you're going to go in and smudge that black underneath, as you see me doing now. The same black eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette, I'm taking it and I'm just smudging it underneath my lash line to really intensify that smokiness and give me that dark, vampy eye that I'm really smoky eye that I'm going for. So we're just gonna make that bottom lash line as even smokier than the top. Then I'm going through, blending is key, and I'm just gonna blend that out so nothing looks harsh and there are no lines of demarcation. Now I'm going back with the Makeup Revolution highlight and golden lights, and I'm popping that into my inner corner. For lashes, I use the LaFlare 3D Mink lashes in the shade K13, Ulta Beauty mascara, and Ulta Beauty lipstick in pink chocolate. Y'all, this is the finished look. Hey, this is the finished look. Hey, this is the finished. I'm just in a mood, a great mood, you guys. I'm just in a great mood. But alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I'm loving these lashes. I'm just loving this look. This what this outfit is speaking to me, y'all. I might find a man tonight. I'm just playing. But alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I just think it's really nice, you know, a classic look. It's a really nice and beautiful look. You know, you can rock it anytime, formal, day, you know, yeah, you know, date night, you know, whenever you want to rock some black smoke, yeah, you can do it. But anywho, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said in the beginning, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you go and check out my other videos. Give them a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, or what type of videos you like to see, and I'll do what I can to get them uploaded for you guys. Alright, y'all, I'll see you in the next one.